Hey y'all, I just left Joann's or just got home from Joann's and I got Wrong Wrong wasted. So if you want to see what I got, stick around.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow?
Okay, so we all know that Happy Planner came out with the Rong Rong release, and Rong Rong is so great. So I just want to show you guys what I picked up today. I went to Joann's, and my Joann's had everything. And I know you guys have seen the big planners, all the girls that are Happy Planner babes and squad members. They've posted their findings, but I just want to show you guys what I picked up today and let you know about the sale at Joann's. So the first thing I got was the planner accessory pack, and super cute. Has these little tabs, the little sticker tabs on here. Has a nice little dashboard bookmark. It says "Get It Girl," and then there's a page of stickers, of course, which we love. And we have the pocket divider here that says "Hustle Girl." And then we have the paper. And I love it. And I love this pack. I love this collection because all the girls are different. And we have skinny brown, we have plus brown, we have blondes, we have brunettes, we have everything. So I am loving this diversity in this pack. So we have lined here, and then we have grid on the back. This is "Get It, Babe." So love it. So let me put this back together, and I'll put it back in the plastic later because I know you guys don't care about that. So that's the accessory pack. Love that. Next thing I got was the lined paper, and it's just plain lined paper, and it has the three girls here. And it's got the gold foil at the top with the little dots on the side. So love that. Oh, and on the back, I think it's something else. So let's open this and see what's in it. Oh, it's two. Okay, so we have lined, and then we have the top priorities with the date in the gold foil. Don't you love? So you can fold this and make this half sheets or cut it in half and do what you want with it. But oh, and it's a grid on the back of the pink. So that's super cute. Always need extra paper for my notes because I take a lot of notes. Okay, and then for the classic, what else did I pick? Oh, I picked up, this is not Wrong, but I picked up another home extension pack just because I like it, and I don't know if they're going to get rid of it or keep it. So I picked up another home extension pack from the last release. Because I'm so impatient, I cannot wait for May 6th, which I know is like a couple days away, but I can't do it. So I'm so happy that they had this stuff at the Joann's I went to this morning. Next thing is the stickers. So this is the sticker like variety pack, 235 pieces. And it has the stickers up top, which you can see with all the amazingness of the girls. Love the shoe page. Look at that. Look at all the shoes, even though I could not wear half of these shoes, but they're amazing. And the purses. Who doesn't like a good bag? Yes. And then it has the, what are these things called? Sticky notes. And then it has the journaling, like the cards, motivational cards, journaling cards. So it's pictures on the front, and then on the back, it'll say like, "You got this." So you can write on the back side of them. So those are super cute. So I got one pack of those. So I'll put that over here. Trying to go through like the little things first. Oh, I got washi tape. Oh, really? Okay, so I got washi tape, as you can see. Pretty cute. I'm like, am I in frame? Okay. Stripes, some gold. So these are like the pinkish tones. This one has shoes all on it. Love. So I got that. I don't know how these came out, but I'll go in my washi drawer. So I got that set of washi. And then I got the black set of washi as well here. So this one has polka dots. It says Heart, Brave. Oh, Heart, Brave plus Full. Fierce plus Fabulous. Hustle plus Heart. Super cute. This is like black and gold, rose gold foil with the polka dot on this end. So got that one there. Love it. Put that over there. I got a set of mini discs because I'm going to try the Fobonichi. I'm going to try it. I ordered a regular, what is it? Hobonichi. And I'm waiting on that. And then I'm obsessed. So I think it might work for me. And so I wanted to try it with the Happy Planner also. So I'm going to do a Fobonichi and a regular Hobonichi. And we'll see how that works out. So I got these for that. And then I said I wasn't going to get another planner, but ta-da! I did. I got the 18-month planner. And this is in the monthly layout with all the girls on it. And I mainly got it for this girl right here. This goodness right here, because I love her. And it doesn't start till July, and it goes through December of 2020. So I'm really going to try not to buy any more planners because I don't need all these planners, you guys. Like, I don't. So I just wanted to try this layout and see if I like this, if I'm able to do this, number or how I'm going to work this. I don't know, but I like that it's monthly and it's got the habit tracker already inside. And so if you like trying to track habits, this might work for you because it's got the habit tracker already placed in here. So you can just label what you want to track. And then it has the dashboard and then it's got the weekly, but you can kind of, or the daily to-dos, kind of break it up like that. And then notes. So I like this because it has the note sections already in it. So I don't know if I can wait till July, you guys. Ugh, decisions. But I love it. And right now, these are 30% off at Joann's. So why not? 30% off. Not a bad deal. Okay, guys. Then I got sticker wasted. Look at this foolishness, y'all. Look at this. Come on, Rong Rong. Really? You did it to me. Y'all did it to me. Look. So yeah, I was able to get every pack. Who's excited? I am. And then I got the journaling stickers as well. So you guys know 23 pieces. These open up different directions to allow you to write inside. So it gives you a little pop of color, a little sass, a little pizzazz in your planner. Oh, come on, Happy Planner. So I got the everyday, I got the mini and the regular, the classic stickers, but I'm sure you guys can, use it. How do you say? You can go back and forth. You guys know what I'm trying to say. And then I got the seasonal. So I got the mini, the classic, and the accessory book. What? Shut up, Joann's. Y'all, what? The colors in here are amazing. So you got some vibrants, you got some pastels, you got fall, and you've got your summer and Christmas. Super excited. I didn't see, I must admit, or they might not have had the book for the red, unless I'm crazy and I missed it, but I don't think so. But this one has shoes and donuts. What? Let's go back to that donut page. Come on, donuts. Hustle and Heart. We got some workout girls. Girls night. Yes. Summer. Yes, maxi dress. Come on. Okay, Happy Planner. Oh, Mambi is doing it. And these are the everyday girls here. Some of us are everyday girls. Some of us are, boss babes. We're doing it. Time for tea. Yes, I love it because I'm a tea drinker. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see that? Time for tea. Yes. I wish they had more of those. Coffee Day. Oh, I love these circles. Oh, this is cute. You guys see that? Oh, I love it. I mean, I've seen other videos, but when you see it in person, y'all, it's just something different. Appointments. Yes, for the circles. Date night, workout. Yes, for the orange, yellow, and peach. More tea time. Thank you. Don't you love these circles, guys? Okay, I do. I'm just saying. Okay, so that is my Rong Rong wasted day, guys. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? Goodness. I love it. It makes me so excited. So, guys, if you can get to Joann's, get to Joann's. Let me show you my receipt. So here's my receipt. I don't know if you can see, but all the accessories are 25% off here. Okay, so they're ringing up 25% off. Let me fold this over here so you don't see my information. I hope. Let's fold that over. Okay, so everything is 25. All accessories are 25% off. The book was 30% off. Let me see. So it was 32 and then it went to 23, which is not a bad price. And then everything else was marked down, if you can see that. And then there's a 20% off. I think it ends today, an extra 20% off. So it took $33 off my total, y'all. So I ended up spending under $150 for all of this, which is a bit excessive. But look at my total savings, $90, guys. I don't think I could save that on the Mambi site. So I saved $90 on all this stuff, which makes me super happy and even more happy. So you guys get to your Joann's, see if they have this stuff if you cannot wait to the release date on May 6th. I am not a squad member, even though I wish I was. But if you like these videos, if you want to see Plan With Me's, let me know in the comments below. If you are Happy Planner, Erin Condren, what is it that you guys use out there? But let me know. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time watching, hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my videos. And as usual, like this video if you enjoyed it, share it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.